my hubby in a honky tonk. He scooted in around 10 o'clock. Come up and ask me what drink I want. I called him, I ain't mad at Donkey Donk. He started flashing his credit card, playing it cool, but he was trying hard. But the moment that he stole my heart was when he asked me to dance. Here's that two-stepping tall glass of water, honey, I wanna drink. Here's a hard hunk of metal of me in before I could think. Now my mama told me about the birds and the bees and how cowboys won't stay long. But I met my hubby in a honky tonk. I got the diamond on my left hand. We both do redneck with them bands. Got to party with our rowdy friends and seal it all with a kiss. Here's our two-stepping tall glass of water, honey, I wanna drink. Here's a hot hunk of metal of me in before I could think. Now my mama told me about the birds and the bees and how cowboys won't stay long. But I met my hubby in a honky tonk. He freaking loves me. I met my hubby in a honky tonk. Yeah. Here's that two-stepping tall glass of water, honey, I wanna drink. Here's a hot hunk of metal of me in before I could think. Oh, about all my mama told me about the birds and the bees and how cowboys won't stay long. But I met my hubby in a honky tonk. I met my hubby in a honky tonk. Woo! Yeah.
Let's learn Honky Tonk Hubby. It's choreographed by Trent Duncan. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Honky Tonk Hubby. Section 1, your weight's going to start split on both feet. We're going to do heel, toe, heel, clap to the right and the left. So you're going to swivel both heels to the right, both toes to the right, both heels to the right, and then you're going to hold and clap. You're now going to do that to the left. You're going to swivel both heels to the left, both toes to the left, both heels to the left, making sure your weight is on your left foot, and you're going to clap. So let's try that with some counts. Swiveling both heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot forward. You're going to kick your left foot low and forward. Step back with your left and touch your right toe back. We're now going to repeat that. Step forward with your right, kick your left foot low and forward. Step back with your left and touch your right toe back. Let's try that with some counts. Weight would be on your left. We would have just done our clap. You're doing your step kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do skate, skate shuffles to the right and the left. So you're going to take your right foot, slightly bring it in, and then push it out to the right. Then you're going to bring your left foot in and then push it out to the left. We're now going to do a right shuffle, stepping our right foot forward, left together, right forward. We're now going to repeat that to the left. So we're going to bring our left foot in and then push it out. Bring your right foot in and then push it out. And then you're going to do a left shuffle, step left forward, right together, left forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your skate shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do hip bumps. So we're going to bump our hip right, bump your hip left, bump your hip right, bump your hip left. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a step together. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot slightly forward, and then step your left next to your right, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're bumping your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're ready to start the next wall. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is split on both feet. You're doing your heels, toes, heels to the right. Heels, toes, heels, clap. Heels, toes, heels, clap. Step, kick, back, touch. Step, kick, back, touch. Skate right, left, shuffle. Skate left, shuffle. Now your hips right, left, jazz box quarter, turn together. And you'll be facing 3 o'clock, ready to start the next wall. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is split, you're starting to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to go through and do all 4 walls of the dance. Weight is split between both. You're starting with your swivels to the right. Heels, toes, heels, clap. Heels, toes, heels, clap. Step, kick, back, touch. Step, kick, back, touch. Now skate right, shuffle. Skate left, shuffle. Now your hips, right, left, jazz box quarter, turn together, heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heels, toes, heels, clap. Heels, toes, heels, clap. Step, kick, back, touch. Step, kick, back, touch. Now skate right, shuffle. Skate left, shuffle. Hips, right, left. Jazz box quarter, turn together, heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, something that's going to make those heels, toes, heels a little bit easier is you want to make sure you're bending your knees slightly as you swivel. That will allow it to be easier to move side to side. Now that you've practiced with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below and skip to the end of the video to practice with the rear demo as much as you would like so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Honky Tonk Hubby. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I'm at my hubby.